Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share what I learned. I mean, it's been such a learning journey for me with YouTube. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, and yes, I'm at 1,999, and I mean, I just can't keep calm. I wanted to share it with you and to all beginners who are wondering when are they gonna get subscribers, how does it work. So for a month, actually it took me a month, last month, till when was it, like last week, I have been adding 10 subscribers per week. 10 subscribers a week I've not done, and it's all organic. This is how I was able to achieve that. Number one, most people, when you start YouTube, you post a video, then you just disappear. No, if you disappear, how are you gonna get views? You have to be consistent. Consistency is key with YouTube, and this one I learned. If you look at my video, you'll see there's a gap. Like, I'll record a video, then wait for like 7 months and record another one. I mean, even your subscribers have even forgotten about you, and we keep on getting new YouTubers every day. So you can't afford to do that and still remain relevant. Consistency. During that 1 month, I made sure that I've posted at least weekly or after 2 weeks. And this one helped me a lot. Anyway, I got 50 subscribers from that. So be consistent. Decide, how you're gonna post it. Are you gonna post after 1 week, or are you gonna post after 2 weeks? And make sure you're committed to it. So number one is clear, consistency. Number two, which actually worked for me, and I didn't know that that's what I was doing. I mean, I didn't know that it will work like that. So I just sat down and I was like, you know what, it's a pandemic, I'm at home, I have lights, I have a camera. Why am I not recording? Why am I not posting? Why am I not doing this? Why am I not, going all the way out with this YouTube? And for me, how is it that I don't actually put work into it? For example, how do you expect someone to watch your content and you don't watch other people's content? I used to watch before, but I was like, you know what? This one I like, I'll watch it. This one I don't like, I don't watch it. We all have that, and it's understandable. But remember now, you're a YouTuber also. So how do you just sit down and wait for viewers to come from nowhere? From just, I don't know, you're just expecting that you'll get viewers from nowhere. It doesn't work like that. So I started to watch other YouTubers and fully commit. I think for Kenyan YouTubers, I've watched I've watched all of them. And this one, I was doing it to support. I was telling myself, I'm supporting people. I want to support other people so that they can also support me. I mean, it's logical enough and reasonable enough. That's what I was thinking. I want to watch so that even if someone will be like, okay, let me support this one. It's just believing. It has a lot of believing. That was number one. Another reason, I was watching so that I can get to learn what they are doing different. Like, we have Kenyan YouTubers who are doing very, very well. So I wanted to understand, how are they doing it? What is it that I'm not doing and they are doing? I really wanted to understand what is it that I'm not doing right. So those two reasons earned me 50 subscribers in a month. The first week I started doing that, I'll wake up in the morning, sit on my laptop. I work from home. I have a studio, so I work from home, and I'm doing other digital marketing, content creation and all that. So I'm home Monday to Monday. So I was like, every morning I'll wake up at 6, I'll go to any random YouTuber, Kenyan YouTuber, I'll start to watch them and go through comments, see how they are doing it, see how they are editing, see how they are filming, how they are dressed, how they've done their makeup and all that. Another thing I was doing is I was searching YouTubers who are creating similar content like myself. I didn't know what I was doing is going to actually make me grow, and actually get more subscribers. For me, I was just like, I need to do my research. Where am I going wrong? What is it that I'm not doing right? So I started searching YouTubers, who are creating similar content like myself. So I'll go with modeling. Very few Kenyans are doing that, vlogging about modeling. So I started with makeup, went to makeup. I'll type what I've done, like I've done a video on how to apply your foundation. So the first time before I created that content, actually, I went to YouTube and searched that, how to apply makeup. And this is the third part. Sorry, I'm mixing them up. By searching, I got to see, are people looking for such? I mean, has it been done before? By me doing that, doing my research, YouTube was recommending my videos to their followers, to the people I was watching and their followers. How interesting is that? I mean, I'll go to a video, let me talk about this, how to apply foundation. So I'll search, I'll see a Kenyan YouTuber who's done it. I'll go to her page, YouTube, I'll watch it, I'll look at the comments, I'll leave her comments, I'll see how she's doing her makeup. Basically, for me, it was purely research. And by doing that, I didn't know I'll get subscribers out of it. Then I realized, you know what? This is a marketing platform. And if you don't put your product out there, if you don't go through what other people are doing, then you're not gonna grow. And YouTube is just perfect for that. I found that very interesting, to be honest, and I was like, I have to share it with you guys. Like, I have, for example, a YouTuber has a video, how to apply foundation, let's say I have, let me use myself as an example, I'm not there yet. Yeah, there's this particular YouTuber I was watching. She has 100 plus views. So I typed how to apply foundation, then she was recommended as the top. I clicked on it, watched, then left a comment. Like she was doing it so well. I left a comment innocently. After 2-3 days, I started getting followers. So it means YouTube was recommending my video to those 100,000 people who've watched her video. I mean, let that sink in, man. It was interesting. It is interesting up to date, and talking about it just makes me feel like, oh my God, I discovered this, and actually, it's working, and it has worked for me. Let me go back and say it again. Someone has 100K followers. This person is creating similar content like yourself. So it means, of course, she has 100K, yeah? You starting up, you don't have a lot of subscribers, you don't have your views, maybe you get like 500 or less. By you watching her video, YouTube recommends your video to her followers. And it goes like that. It's like a trend. It goes like that on and on and on. So it means, like, there's a way I interpreted this in my own way. Support other people. You want to be supported, to be honest? Support other people. And YouTube taught me that. Because getting 50 subscribers in a week, organically, without doing anything, just supporting other people, I found that very, very interesting. And just do that. The third one is how you structure your title. What do you want to talk about? Before you sit in front of a camera, ask yourself this question. What do you want to talk about? Let's say you want to talk about, I want to use makeup because I've been watching a lot of makeup tutorials on YouTube. And you can see I did mine today. I even learned how to put my lashes through that. Anyway, I've been watching a lot of makeup tutorials, so I'm going to talk about that. Let's say you want to do makeup. Ask yourself, what is it that you think people are looking for? Let's say people are looking for how to how to draw eyebrows, or how to draw your eyebrows. People want to know how to draw their eyebrows. You type that, then of course YouTube will bring all the videos. Remember, there's the first video like that. Ask yourself, how come this person, her video is at the top? It's the same thing that I'm telling you, it's the same thing that I'm talking about. That's why it's there at the top. YouTube recommends videos like that. Anyway, let me go to the third point. I don't want to lose you. So after you've done that, you've seen the title is how to draw your eyebrows. You've seen how they do it. Now, when you're creating a video, on how to draw your eyebrows. Of course, the title will be that, how to draw your eyebrows, so that those are the keywords. That's what people will search. Because you don't want to put, I've seen people putting some weird title that no one will ever look for. I mean, it's a good content that you want to talk about, but how the title that you've put, how will someone find you? And this is where many people miss it out completely. You'll find someone, they have good production, they're talking about, the ones who are not famous. They're talking about things that are relevant, but they don't have viewership, they don't have views, they don't have subscribers. It's because of how they're structuring their title. They're not using the keywords, the right keywords for YouTube to recommend their videos to other YouTubers who are creating similar content. So keyword, don't just come up with some weird title, no. Let's go back to what I was talking about. How to draw your eyebrows. You've seen it, you've written how to draw your eyebrows. Watch what other YouTubers are doing, how they're doing it. And by doing that, you're researching, you're bettering yourself, and you're giving YouTube a chance to recommend your video to their followers. I think I've just spilled the tea, by the way. Like, that's the secret, that's it. And you will get your subscribers, you'll get your views. And create content. Don't be shy. You have it, you have a camera, you have lights. Don't wait, create that content. And be consistent. Support other people. Look at what other people are doing, similar YouTubers are doing. There you have it. I mean, I'm still here celebrating my 50 subscribers, and they keep on going, higher and higher. And talk about, even there's a video I have 20K. I mean, for beginners, for YouTubers who are beginners, I'm sure you can relate to this. Getting 20,000 views on YouTube, and you're a beginner, you're not famous, you're not trending, you're not any of that. It's something to celebrate. So please consider those 3 things. I'll keep on sharing. I'm still learning. Keep on sharing what I get, what I learn, and yeah, together we make this. We will make it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really wanted to share that. Make sure you follow. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. No, before I go, please subscribe if you're a new subscriber. If you've been with me, thank you very much for supporting. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for everything. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what strategies worked for you. For me, those 3 worked for me, and I'm still learning. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.